Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at some of the EV stocks. So without further ado, let's first start off with Tesla. So you can see that Tesla found some good support near the $100 psychological support level, and thereafter we started to climb back up. Furthermore, you can see that this blue conversion line has really started to turn, and we are going to surpass the weight baseline currently. So you can see the blue conversion line was always below the weight baseline, and so long as we remain below, it continues to remain bearish. So let's take a look at some of the resistance on the way up. So from a recent low of around 101, 102 levels, and the recent high was around 198, we have really cleared the 38.2% just yesterday. So we are looking towards the next resistance at 150, 162, and potentially 178. Key resistance to watch will be around 160, 162 levels. So this is a very key resistance, and it's likely for us to coincide with the cloud resistance as well. So on the way up, the cloud will definitely act as a resistance. The thicker the cloud, the stronger the resistance. As for the supports to watch, we're watching the 130 levels, which is this blue conversion line, and weight baseline support level. Let's move on to NIO. So for NIO, you can see that we actually hit a low of around $8, $8.38 to be specific, and hit a high of $14 before pulling back down all the way towards the last support at 971. And as you can see, the cloud acted as a strong resistance, and we have yet to surpass the cloud resistance. So from a low of around 950 levels to a high of 1402, we are looking at some potential resistance at 1230. So just yesterday, we actually hit this resistance, and you can see that the cloud acted as a strong resistance before closing lower for the day. So two supports to watch will be around 1150 and the $11 psychological support level. Once we can clear this 1230, we're looking towards 1306 and potentially $14. Moving on to Li Auto. So you can see that Li Auto creates a very nice wave pattern. We're creating a higher low here and higher high, higher low. So hopefully we can create a higher high in the upcoming sessions ahead. What we have to cross is this $24. So you can see that after hitting $24, we saw a pullback towards the 50% Fibonacci support level, and we held this 1850 pretty well. So thereafter, where exactly are the next resistance to watch out for? After clearing this 24.41, we're looking towards 27 and potentially $30. Two support to watch, we're watching 22.40, and the second support will be $21. Lastly, we have Xpeng or XPEV. So you can see that XPEV did actually traded sideways for a while. So from a recent low of around $6, from a recent high of 1644, you can see that 61.8% was a critical resistance. We did not break up above this resistance, and we came back down. Unfortunately, we created a lower high, and we still see more selling pressure ahead. So key resistance to watch out for in the upcoming trading sessions. Obviously, the blue conversion line is currently acting as a support at around 976. The weight baseline is around 1040, 1050 levels. You can see that just yesterday we actually tested it, but unfortunately we did not break above it. So we are watching these levels closely at 38.2%, 1048. Next one will be the $11 psychological resistance, thereafter 1150, 1220, and 1311. So hopefully buyers can step back in and push prices back up to clear the $11 psychological resistance for XPEV. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.